Hey, it's Shelly. Welcome to my 5th year doing Vlogmas. I've done it in 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, and now we're at 2025. I'm blown away. I did not realize this was my 5th year doing it. I absolutely love doing it, even though I usually get stressed. I usually miss some days. Yeah, I don't know why I keep doing it, but I do. And it was really cool to look back on each year and see the different things that I've done and the different inspirations I've had and the different projects I've taken on, and just also my video editing and production is vastly different in the past 4 years. So this year I'm kind of going to do a challenge and create 12 different DIY homemade inspired gifts, and hopefully you can find one or two or 12 that you can use for your Christmas and holiday gifts this season. A lot of times we don't need more stuff. We need more heart and more love, and that comes in handmade items. And hopefully, you guys can be inspired to use something that you see on my channel. I do have a few products as well that I will be popping in here and there talking about, as well as some behind the scenes on a few things I'm working on. So if you are interested in purchasing any of those and giving those as gifts, that is a great way to support a small maker and those friends and families that you love. All right, so let's jump in. Today, I'm just going to do kind of a quick introduction, which we just wrapped up, but I did want to walk you through my December snail mail postcard and prepping those newsletters and the activity sheets so you can kind of see that, and a sneak peek to January's cool freebie. So if you do want to get on that, then the subscription link is down below. You'll get postcards monthly, created by me, mailed by me, sent to your mailbox, and then you can take those and share them with other people. So a super cool idea, and I hope you guys enjoy day one of Vlogmas 2025. Thing that goes with these. Let me show you. So the DTF printer that I use here in San Antonio now offers stickers. Wow, which I cannot get this package open. So this is the December subscription, but I'm going to send these to my January subscribers. I think every year it'd be a lot of fun to have like a sticker of the year.
with my subscription for postcards. So I designed these for 2026, and any new subscriber will get one with their first month. So yeah, I think they're super cute. They're 2 inches by 2 inches. He die cut them. Like, I don't even know how he did it. It's super awesome. So freestyle tees design. He'll ship, but he does allow local pickup in the Converse, Texas area.
So loud.